Everyone, Puging Guru here with my Mrs. Hansel.
Hello.
Today we're going to talk about the different types of doctor. Okay,
Doctor of Heart.
doctor of heart, cardiologist,
Check. Doctor of Skin.
doctor of skin, dermatologist,
Correct. Doctor of Bone.
doctor of bone, orthopedic,
Doctor of Brain.
doctor of brain, neurologist,
Doctor of Child.
doctor of child, pediatrician. Tama ba?
May tama ka!
Malakabak ng mama, di
Ano
ba?
pa?
Doctor of Mouth.
Doctor of mouth, maritisologist,
Anak ka ng pu.